Today I will show you how to disable catalyst converter on Mercedes S-Class, E-Class or C-Class. This one is S-Class W220 2003 model. You can use any diagnostic tool. I am using Hotel. So let's start. We will select our vehicle, automatic selection. So we are actually looking for variant coding option. Variant coding option. It depends on your computer. Maybe your computer have this option in motor and electronics in a diagnostic option. Let me show you. Select control unit, drive, motor and electronics. Go into special function. As you can see, no variant coding option. Maybe your computer have variant coding option in this place. In my case, variant coding option available in programming section. So I will go back into programming section and I will select motor and electronics. This option, variant coding. So I will open variant coding. Then you can choose coding according to planned data, or you can check your current coding. So I will go to this one first. So we will look for this option, 1801820183, downstream of O2 sensor, downstream of TWC present. So what we need to do, we will select this option, then press edit, then we will select not present. We will select diagnose of O2 sensor downstream of TWC not present. After selecting this option, we will press OK and F3 send. So I don't want to change on this vehicle, just want to show you how it done. So by doing this, you can disable your catalyst converter. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.